round of applause for his smashing demonstration. Thank you. Now, if Buford looks directly at you, you will see that he does look like he's a little bit angry. He is not, but block out the sun so that he can see better through the glare of the sun. He also has a sandpaper-like texture on the bottom of his feet. This is not always the case. In 1963, there were less than 500 bald eagles in the lower 48 states. This was the result of DDT, the miracle pesticide that killed all the insects, but unfortunately stayed in the environment and built up to toxic levels in birds of prey like eagles and peregrine falcons. The largest species of owls in the world. You can find him in Europe, Asia, and North Africa. If he turns to look at you with those beautiful orange eyes of his, you'll see that they're enormous. Eyes are like windows in your house. The bigger the window, the